All right, welcome everyone to this Club Wealth University tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to attend and or host an event on our site on Club Wealth University. So first thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to log in. If you already know how to do that, how to do so, go ahead and skip this part if you want. I will put a time code down at the bottom. You should see it right now. So go ahead and skip that if you want. But if you've never signed in before, just know that you need a Zoom account and a Facebook account as well. A lot of people also think they have a Zoom account because they use Zoom a lot. But you can actually use Zoom and not have an account. So just make sure you do have a Zoom account and sign up for one if you don't, and log in first. So I'm going to click sign up or log in with Facebook. Log into Facebook. There we go. And I'm going to enter my Zoom account. And we are in. So here's Club Wealth University. We got our dashboard right here. The event you're going to be looking for is probably going to be up here. You also could find it in My Stuff if you click on that. Also, we have an events kind of tab right here. So for the tutorial's sake, we're going to click on this one. This will act as our event today. Going to click on that. So here we are in our event. And up here we have Wednesday and then Thursday. This was a 2-day event. So on Wednesday, here's all our sessions. Go down real quick and show you. And Thursday, click on that tab. Boom, sessions for Thursday. So make sure you're on the right day. Some people get confused coming in on Thursday and they see all these Wednesday sessions. They're like, where's the new sessions? You just got to click the tab. There you go. So here's our first main stage session. This one took place 7 o'clock to 8:05 PST. Scroll down. We've got our virtual networking hallway with all our different vendors. So if you wanted to find out more about listings to leads, you would click on this, and that would take you right into a special session with some people from Listening to Leads, where you could find out more about their products and services. And yeah, it's really helpful. You can hop in and out of any of these during the hallway session. And there's multiple ones, at least this event. There were multiple I can't talk. There were multiple sessions of the virtual hallway throughout the day. You got another one right here, so you can spread those out. These are the breakouts. You see we have several different options, different speakers. So say I want to go into that one. Boom, click on it. Make sure your email is in there. Enter session. It'll take you right in there. If you ever want to leave, maybe you weren't feeling the breakout you were in, just exit the Zoom session and come right back here. Your browser should probably still be open, and you can just hop right into Darcy's. So if you're familiar with Zoom, the breakouts are going to be Zoom meetings, and the main stage sessions, like this one, is going to be a Zoom webinar. The difference being in a webinar, you can only see the panelists who are speaking, and in meetings, you can see everyone who's in the meeting. It's more, collaborative in that way, and it's more of an open forum. So yeah, that just about covers it. We are in this is an event that has already taken place. So after the fact, you can purchase the events to view them if you missed stuff. If you missed the whole thing, you can purchase the event, and all the recordings will be available within a week or two. So this is an example of a recording, and you can view all those recordings not the vendor sessions. We don't record those. But you can view all the breakouts and main stage sessions in case you missed out. So yeah, that just about covers what it's like to attend/host an event on our site on Club Wealth University. Pretty cool. If you have any questions right now or during the event, click our little, here, I'll show you right here. Click our little icon right here. We have a help bot. You can ask it questions. There are limited things you can ask it. But you click on this, Club Wealth Help Desk, that'll take you right into a Zoom meeting live face-to-face with someone with Club Wealth to answer any question you have. So any weekday we have that going on during the workday, and especially during the events. So yeah, hop in there if you have any questions right now or whenever, and have a great day.